Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Discover the top 5 dash cams of 2024 offering cutting-edge features and superior performance for your driving safety. From crystal clear video recording to advanced parking modes, these dash cams provide unparalleled reliability and peace of mind on the road. Stay protected and informed with the best-in-class options for 2024. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. Nextbase IQ. The Nextbase IQ Dashcam series, available in 1K, 2K, and 4K models, promises a revolutionary, ever-evolving platform. Despite a higher price point and the need for a subscription, the IQ stands out with its innovative features and design. With an easy installation process and an embedded SIM for constant internet connectivity, the IQ offers live views, precise location tracking, and efficient smart notifications. Although a few features, such as Guardian Mode and RoadWatch AI, are yet to be launched, the IQ provides a comprehensive safety solution, including emergency SOS and voice commands. The dashcam's quality and performance, combined with its forward-thinking approach, position it as a top choice for those seeking advanced connected features in a dashcam. 4. iOttie Avo View. The iOttie Avo View dashcam emerges as a noteworthy contender, featuring a sleek design and Alexa integration, marking iOttie's foray into the dashcam market. Boasting easy installation, the Aivo View records to a microSD card and stands out with its clean, compact design. The absence of internal storage requires a separate microSD card purchase, but the magnetic detachable base offers flexibility in positioning. The accompanying iOttie Connect app facilitates settings adjustments and live feed viewing, making up for the lack of a display on the device itself. With a strong focus on user-friendly operation, good video quality, and the added convenience of Alexa integration, the iOttie Avo View stands out as a solid choice for drivers seeking a hassle-free dashcam experience. 3. VIOFO T130. The VIOFO T130 dashcam stands out with its impressive 3-channel configuration, delivering front, rear, and interior coverage to ensure comprehensive video evidence. Tailored for taxi and Uber drivers, it offers reliable performance at a reasonable price point, slightly higher than dual-channel alternatives. Its discreet design, lacking a screen and fitting seamlessly behind the rearview mirror, adds to its appeal. The built-in interior camera streamlines installation, proving handy for recording interactions, particularly during police stops. User-friendly with voice prompts and a VIOFO app for easy adjustments and footage review, the T130 strikes a commendable balance between features, quality, and affordability, making it an attractive choice for drivers seeking reliable triple-channel dashcam capabilities. 2. Nextbase 122. The Nextbase 122 dashcam combines a sleek, compact design with reliable performance, fitting discreetly behind the rearview mirror. Boasting a 2-inch display and a magnetic mounting system for easy installation, it offers flexibility with options for permanent or removable attachment to the windscreen. Sturdy and well-made, the dashcam feels secure even over bumps and potholes. While it focuses on essential features such as 1-minute video recording and a G-sensor triggered collision save, a notable inclusion is the parking mode, activating on the G-sensor during parking to record potential incidents. The device's simplicity, affordability, and efficient functionality make it a compelling choice for those seeking a no-frills, budget-friendly dashcam. 1. VIOFO A129 Duo IR. The VIOFO A129 Duo IR stands out as a top-notch dual-channel Wi-Fi dash camera, specifically designed for taxi drivers. Boasting dual Starvis IMX291 sensors, a 7-glass f1.6 lens, and WDR, it captures crystal-clear details at 1920 by 1080p 30 fps, ensuring excellent performance even in low-light conditions. The innovative design includes an interior camera with a 180 degrees rotatable lens, doubling as a rear camera for comprehensive coverage. With features like GPS for tracking journeys, buffered parking mode, and emergency recording, this dash cam combines functionality with ease of use. The compact and discreet design, along with the option to turn off infrared features, makes it an ideal choice for rideshare and taxi drivers, ensuring passenger comfort while providing reliable protection day and night. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.